Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Motorola Moto G55. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the settings. So unlock the phone. Now go to settings. And here, go over to the network. Here, we need to disable and enable the Wi-Fi just to restart it, and after that, if this did not fix the issue, let's click on the Wi-Fi and click on the gear icon here and forget the network. Now let's enter the network again and enter the password. So I'll see you guys in a second. So now let's click connect and it should be working. Now after that, what you guys can do is restart the router and a phone. So I cannot show you the router right now because it's on the other side of the wall, but to restart your phone, all you have to do is press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now let's click on restart and our phone will start automatically restarting. So I'll see you guys once my phone enables. Now after restarting the phone, we need to enter the PIN or any other password that you have, and then go over and check for software updates in the settings. So open up the settings. Here, let's scroll down until you guys see the system updates. So they're right here. Now let's click check for updates. And after that, for me everything looks good. But if it isn't looking good for you and you did not receive the same notification as me, then I would recommend you guys to update the software. It's very important to get rid of any glitches, including Wi-Fi not working. So that's basically what you guys have to do. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.